guys, today I'm gonna create farewell party look. So very first we'll apply serum. I'm using L'Oreal Paris Thin Serum. Now it's time to moisturize your skin. I'm using Pond's Light Gel, which gives you oil-free skin. Turning to next product, which is primer. This is my favorite primer, Insights Primer, and it gives you smoothie skin. Now I'm using BB cream. Instead of using BB cream, you can also use foundation as a base and blend it properly with beauty blender, brush or your fingertips. Start makeup from top to bottom. Set your eyebrows and apply dusky eyeshadows. It is more trendy and gives you an enhanced look. I'm using double layer of eyeshadow, one lighter and one darker. Dark color should be in the corner of eyes. Moving to the next, follow the trend and apply silver glitter to make your eyes more glamorous. If you don't want a glittery eyes, so you can skip this step. Blend it with the help of brush. Skip eyeliner, directly come to mascara. Mascara plays an important role to make your eyes more alive. Finally, we'll apply kajal. I'm using white color of kajal to make my eyes more enhanced. Eye makeup is done. How is it looking? Now moving into next, we'll apply bronzer on our cheeks. Instead of using pink color of blusher, use bronzer. It gives a contour look. Next, highlight your cheeks, forehead, chin with the help of flat brush. Don't overload the highlighter, otherwise it will look patchy. Apply a shade of lipstick which suits you more. I'm using Swiss Beauty Coffee Color Matte Finish Lipstick. You'll get all the product detail in the description box. Last, set your makeup with the makeup fixer.